And Congressman, I would like to ask you if you will stand for democracy and help rescue our government from corporations and lobbyists and sign the pledge to overturn the Citizens United court ruling and support fair elections and lobbyist reform.
Yay!
Let's look at this for a minute, because I understand the concern with having corporations put money into politics. But here would be a compromise that I think might have a little balance to it. And I would like MoveOn.org to think about this aspect of it. What if you change the law so that not only would a corporation not give money in politics, only individuals could give money, and it would have to be voluntary on the part of the individuals. But the reason that's not supported by MoveOn.org is because then the union bosses couldn't. Take it through. I'm for unions. I just want it to be voluntary. I think if you're going to pay union dues and you want to spend an election, fine. What I'm against is having the head of the union say we're not going to have a vote on the increase in dues, and me and my board are going to decide, you're not going to decide as individuals. So what do you think about this compromise? Corporations can't get money, all the individuals can, and it has to be voluntary, and you actually have you see, if we can work out something like that, I think we can bring both sides together. But right now, I don't think that's balanced the way you're putting it forward. I think it should be rewritten. And I think sometimes we have to stand up to people, you know, that maybe are underwriting our own efforts, you know, on initiatives and reforms. We have to take a look and say, well, wait a minute, what's wrong with this company? You know, why shouldn't we compromise? Sometimes something good can come out of compromising, and I think this would be an example of it. So, well, yeah, I'm saying let's do both sides of this equation. Let's leave it up to individuals who are citizens of this country, you know, and resident aliens or whatever. Let's leave it up. They can be involved in the process. Other institutions that we create out there, you know, if you want to do it that way, so it's through the individual, that's fine. But it means letting everybody in the union then decide whether or not their dues are going to go in, you know, to the under the control of the union leadership. Okay, we'll go over here. Go ahead.